Welcome guys to the first ever 2022 video. Now technically I did a video last week, but that was technically the last 2021. So this is the official 2022 and it's a great start. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Happy Meal Toys. So these are the first 2022 toys for McDonald's, and this lesson today is, of course, be proud of your own country. I'll talk about that while I'm opening one of them. So let's get started. We're going to start from, we have Porsha, posing Porsha Crystal. So here it is. Now these are all numbered, but I don't know obviously what number certain one is because I don't do that. It's so much fun because I have no school for 2 weeks, well technically 1 week. So yeah, I can break, I can rest, and then it will be my sabbatic soon. And so by the way, here is Crystal Porsha. So this is a wolf. So this is, I think, like the character. I haven't seen this movie yet. I've seen one, which I haven't reviewed those obviously because, so these toys feel so much nostalgic for me because Sing was my first video, not my first video, my first toys from McDonald's forever. Like, because I know Ate has a bunch of Happy Meal Toys as well, but those are my first ones, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Move her, his arms or her, I don't know, I really have seen this movie yet. Move the tail. So basically it's just a postable figure like I said in the name. So yeah, let's go with one I've been looking forward to, Johnny the Entertainer. Alright, there you go, that's what he looks like. So basically, let's just take a look. So in my knowledge, he has a new hairstyle, he has a new outfit. And he's got these really weird spikes on his back. I really have no idea what these are. Maybe that's just texture. Probably. There's a peg and then the hole. Usually, it's the opposite. Like the figure has the hole and then the base has the peg. But this is different. Like the Pikachu toy. If you'd like to see my review of the Pikachu toys, which was last year, technically, I'll link that in the description along with the card suggestion. So you basically spin and grab his arm. And this is super similar to the original one because he also like squeezes his legs and then he will spin. I don't have that one on hand right now because I don't usually compare toys to others because I know they're going to be different in some way. Next, let's go to the one that has the weirdest. He's probably weird. That is Nooshythe the Dancer. Nooshythe is a lynx and he is like a really weird wildcat. She. Alright. That makes sense. So basically it's a she. This is definitely a girl right here, the fox. So basically just spin this on this really weird long thing. It's like a stage. It's a legs that's
just her legs split.
It's a splitting. So this reminds me when I was a kid. So basically, Ate's obviously in church, like she's playing the piano back then. And this is what I look like. I really look like this. So basically, I split. Like whenever Ate's playing, I play. And this is what I look like. Seriously. That one's really funny because that just really reminds me of my kids. Next, we have Rosita, who is a pig. Now this one is a really controversial one for me because she is a mother to 25 piglets and I can't believe that. That is so cool. So basically not the most exciting. She looks like a forklift. She looks like a forklift. She looks like from that perspective, that does look like a pig, but when you look at that perspective, she looks like a forklift. From Disney car, she looks like a forklift. Seriously.
She has a wheel.
That's why she looks like a forklift. Alright. Hashtag pig with forklift wheels. Alright, next. That was the first 4. And then the next one, let's go to probably my favorite female character in the movie. Yeah, that's so cool. Alright, so there's the toy, and then I'll show you what it does. And I don't know what it does, probably. There's the button. Yes, so moves the megaphone. I originally thought this was going to talk, but it's talking. If I do a parody of Sing, I would totally use this one. I prefer this one over the old one. By the way, she has a longer tail than before. By the way,
She does.
it's so long, gosh. Alright, now we're going to the big boys now. I'm so excited for this one right here. Cough, cough, Gunter, Mambo. He looks ridiculous. Next, let's go to Rocking Clay Calloway. Let's go with him. This is a new character. Actually, two, Nooshythe and Porsha, are new characters. So is this one. In my knowledge, because I didn't really watch Sing 1 in depthly. And let's compare him to another toy. Let's compare him to Porsha here.
His hand swings on the guitar.
Porsha. Here's Porsha. Porsha. Porsha is so small. Wow. So basically, do this. So there's a lever on the back. This guy is a ginormous head. He looks like a. What does he look like? He looks like he looks like a transformer with guitar. So basically, spins. This reminds me of another toy. This reminds me of the Doraemon toy. If you want this, that's my most viewed video. No, that's my second or third most popular video. So if you want to see that, just check my channel. You guys know how that many views. So yeah, like one of the toys that have this exact same gimmick, but obviously excluding the guitar. This guy's thick. That's a classic thing. So we have Quarantine Man. So that basically, alright, so little story time. So I basically went to McDonald's and then when I'm opening this. So when I went to that McDonald's in Robinson Mall, I was buying this and then Dada called Buster Moon Booster Moon and I was laughing so bad and I was like, Booster. And I was like, that's the vaccine from end of 2021. I should call him Quarantine Man from now on. So yeah, don't expect me to call him Buster Man anymore. Just expect me to call him Quarantine Man. So strange. He looks so cool though. He's a lot chubbier than his original version. He looks a lot chubbier. He must have shrunken down like a little chubby baby.
I think he's holding Squid.
And this guy looks so weird. He's holding Squid shakers. So basic. I don't actually. So yeah, there you go. That lever does not work well.
Yeah, it doesn't.
This is just probably an error. So yeah, next we have the toy that unfortunately got the bad treatment, Ash. So basically when I bought this, like this hole was already open. So yeah, I didn't try to open it, but it opened by itself. So basically it's like Thanos killing Vision while the other Avengers have no idea what's going on. So yeah, you should know that. So this is Ash. Now this is a brand new character for me from Sing 1 because for some reason Ash didn't hit the Sing 1 set in the Philippines, like it did somewhere else, everywhere else actually. And she's like the best actor because her actor is Black Widow. So yeah, definitely an iconic one more than the other ones who just have random like Universal Studios who made this franchise was gonna be like any mini miny mo who should be voiced this other character. They went so. Alright, next we have Meena the elephant. This is called Showstopper. I have no idea what the heck is that, but we're going to figure it out. I'm gonna open this anyway. Her arm like that, so that's pretty cool. We'll save this one for last because that guy is just beautiful. Next, let's go with the most likely the bad guy of the movie. I don't know. I haven't seen the trailer. My aunt saw the trailer. How harsh. See something without me. Anyway, this is Dance Show-Off. Now, I think this is a bad guy because Show-Off, man, that's a bad name, bro. Maybe that's not his actual name. Call him. He doesn't look bad. I don't even know what animal he is.
I think he's supposed to be. It's a carabao.
It's a Carabao.
Oh, I like his dance. He looks so
Probably
cool.
a bull because bad guys are
I think
usually
he's a
bulls.
heartthrob. I think everyone would have a crush on him.
This is probably Ash's boyfriend.
No.
Just joking, I'm joking.
I think he's married to...
Someone.
Meena looks like she's gonna get married.
Oh, an elephant. Hashtag elephant.
Because she's
getting
wearing
married
like
to
a
bull.
white big gown.
Alright. We'll see about that. We'll watch the movie before we do any wild screaming of speculating. This is the same kind. This is Crystal's chair. Crystal the judge's chair. And this really reminds me of a Super Mario toy. A Super Mario toy from 2019, 2020. Because there was a toy looking like exactly like them. So that's just ridiculous. So yeah, how similar. Alright, so it's the same character. It's Porsha Crystal again. So makes
There's
another
a button here.
appearance. So this also reminds me of a Yukai Watch Happy Meal Toy from 2017. Basically, because this looks like exactly like a chair. I don't know if I want to sit. Oh, victory gone. Seriously, last one. I love unboxing McDonald's toys. It's just so much fun. I'm excited. He looks like... So basically my Gunter looks like my father in Hawaii basically. So I'll show you guys. Okay, so I'll tell you a little story. So he looks like I'll show you guys.
He's drumming his stomach.
Alright, so here you go. Basically, my dad is on this bike and then getting the manabela. The steering wheel. Yeah, steering wheel. There you go, Andre Banson. The steering wheel. And going through Hawaii. Man, he just looks ridiculous. So yeah, let's go on to shoutouts. There's not many shoutouts in this video. We only have 3. But technically 2. So we have Lolo and Lola. We really love you guys. And thank you for getting most of the set because you guys got we only got 4 bits. Love you guys. Even if we don't have like food or toys to give us, we still love you and we'll always pray for you every day. And I'm always going to call you on the telephone because I love you guys. And this day you just gave me happiness to do this video. And yeah, I just love you guys. And you guys enjoy your 2022 and enjoy this video. So, and then Yaya Nell in heaven. Even though you're in heaven already, I still love you. Even though you're a little bit silly when you were alive. Just joking. So, yeah. I'm going to tell you guys how I much love the toys. So, I give this one an A 1 out of 10 basically. So, I'm going to go with 8 out of 10 because I wish one of them like talked, like they sang, like make sounds or something, like the original ones. But still nice. But if you remove like, let me know your favorite. My favorite is Quarantine Man, Miss Crawley, and Gunter because those guys just look amazing. So yeah, all of them are cool. Thank goodness. So yeah, no surprises. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you really enjoy. Make sure to subscribe if you hadn't already. Let me make you part of our channel. And I'm not going to be telling a joke today. Alexa, tell us a joke.
Why do raccoons eat out of trash cans? Because they can't tip over a supermarket.
And there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time. Happy New Year. Well, late New Year 2022. Enjoy.